welcome back to yet another episode of Excel, and today we're going to be creating a timetable. So for a timetable, we all begin by filling in the gaps. There is the name column where you put in the names like here, then you put in other things like in case that is like name, then here can be like maybe SST, then here science, and here math. Then after that you fill in the names right here. Let us first fill in this one: SST, science, math, and English. So after filling those, you fill in the names. Since we're just giving an example for the video for learning purposes, you can just fill in like four people. Then you fill in the marks, but I already have that already done, so I'll just use my previous document which I already have. So this is our document. These are the people who are there. We have Helen, Ivan, Hope, and Chloe. Then we have for subjects we have SST, math, English, science. Then what we shall first look at is how to get the total. And for the total, as I said in my previous video, it all begins with an equal sign. So it's supposed to be here. It all begins with an equal sign. So after the equal sign, you open brackets and put in sum. So after that, you click on SST and you drag everything, and after that you close the bracket. Then you enter. Oh, sorry about that. So that is the total. So after getting the total, you go back and you apply it everywhere. Sorry, let me first clear up something. You go up here and we apply on the rest of the remaining people, and to automatically fill in. So that is how we get the total. Then for the position, alright, as we are looking for the position, and this is the formula, as I said in my previous video, you begin with the equal sign. So put in rank F1, then there is a $sign, then $2, then here this zero represents descending order. So once you put in that formula, you apply the formula to the rest. Let me try it again. You apply the formula, and that is the ranking. So next thing is we're going to find the average of each of them. So to get the average, you come here, and begin with equal sign, then look for average. So I want to get the average of Helen. This is Helen. Hold on it a bit. Look for average. we close the bracket. So that's the average, and now we apply it to everyone, so that will be the average of everyone. So next we are going on the grading. So for the grade we are going to use the if function, begin with the equals, then going if. So in our grading we shall use the grading of the average, and we shall be like if h2 is greater than 80. Put a comma, and we put a comma that then we quote it. That's a D1. Put a comma. Then we say if we open the brackets again, h2 is greater than, maybe for example just use maybe 60. Then we put a comma and put a quotation signs. This will be our D2. We forgot to put the quotation marks here. D2, then comma, if, open bracket, maybe 40. Okay, like since we were just giving an example, we can end here. Then we just say maybe like 10. That is, we put maybe greater. Sorry about that. This is h2, h2 being greater than maybe 20. Put a comma, open a quotation, and say maybe this will be maybe credit theory. And we close the quotes. Okay, for this case we shall end with the brackets. You count the number of times like you have written here, and those are the brackets you put in. Like for example, here we have 1, 2, 3. So we put 3 brackets. And enter. So that ubiquity, and what we do, we apply the formula elsewhere, so that will be the grading. Then for the remarks is basically the same should I say the same formula, but just fill in different things. And for example, here we shall begin with the equals, then it will be like if. So we shall say h2 maybe greater than maybe 50. Put a comma, then open the quotation, and say maybe this is a good, close quotation, comma, and if, open bracket, maybe h2 greater than maybe 30. Just giving an example because just how to make you know how to make you understand how to do it. Put a comma, then open quotation, so be fair, then maybe comma, then say if again, open brackets, h2 is maybe greater than 10, then if h2 is greater than 10, put a comma, open quotation, and say improve. Then you put the number of times we are written like that's the number of brackets we should put, like this one has 1, 2, 3. So shall I use 3 times, that is the first one. So that will be our report card, and that marks the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching.